Hello everyone. Today I will talk about where you can buy keyboard kits for one of my favorite keyboard called the Corne keyboard. So this keyboard is you can either make it 3x6 or 3x5. In my picture, this is 3x6. Let me also show you a this is 3x5. Let me also show you a 3x6 version. So this is my 3x6 version. I like it very much. I actually have more PCBs I can build for my office. Okay, so this keyboard PCB is actually open sourced. So if you really want to go the cheaper way, you can just order the PCB online using the source code. But normally, if you don't want to build a lot of them, you can just order the kits, which is also pretty cheap. So one place you can buy it is here, which is the littlekeyboard.com. And they have different versions. This $19 one is the classical one, where you can use the normal diodes, not the tiny SMD ones. I think it probably can use SMD too. Then there are the more expensive versions where you need to do the hot swap sockets. And those might only you might not be able to use the normal diodes. And also for this one, you can still do Max to get the hot swap capability. Okay. So let me show you how the kit look like. So the kit looks like this. It will contain 2 PCBs, left hand, right hand, and the 4 corne PCB. They are actually the same PCB, and you can use either one for left or right. And also comes with the traditional diodes and the 2 TRRS jack and the 2 reset buttons. Honestly, you don't really need the reset buttons if you use the VIO firmware. Okay. Also, I actually also ordered the keyboard case from them, which I don't really like. Let me also show you that one. So the real problem is if you have a case, then the foam probably doesn't fit anymore. I think that the foam can only fit the frame, so-called frame case, which means the case is basically the same size as the PCB. So I have 3D printed cases. Then it's too big for the foam. So this is another one, 3x6. It's also too big for the case. Okay, so it's basically useless. So on top of that, it also smells very strong. It has some chemical smell. It's already been a few days and it still smells pretty strong. Hopefully I can return it. Okay, if you use the 3x5 version. Also, by the way, let me show you the PCB. So if you buy from them, you don't need to choose whether 3x5 or 3x6. The one they give you will be 3x6. And if you want to make it 3x5, you simply snap off the last column of it. You can see here, the last column only have like very little connections. And if you just snap it, it will come off and it becomes 3x5. Okay, so if you do the 3x5 version, then they will have a very snug fit into the case for Switch keyboard. This is actually very well known, like for those 30 something sub 40% keyboard, they will fit into the Switch case, and those cases usually can be bought for a very low price, say $10. I even saw one in Five Below for maybe $5, and they are pretty good quality. Okay. So recently, so as you see, it doesn't really come with the controller because there are many different choices for controllers. And for me, I just bought it from Amazon, and then this is like $34 for 4 USB-C controllers. Okay. Then you still need a case. So they also sell cases here, like those plate case. Yeah. So they basically is a plate and a bottom plate, and they are of the same size. I think these cases should fit with that keyboard case, carrying case. Okay. But these ones are not very nice because you can see you basically still have gaps on the side. So you can also do 3D printed cases, and there are basically free designs on the Thingiverse. I printed a few, and they are all pretty nice. I will put the links in the description, and also this one. This one has some nice designs. Actually, this is the one I have. It has some name here. It has a very nice design with it, and it fits very well. Also, this one is also quite popular. I also have this one. It comes with a plate, and you can do the screws into the holes, and you can go a screw out of it. I also have that 3x5 one. That one is also pretty nice. Okay, recently I found another nice place to buy wireless corn. So this is called hyperactive.xyz, and oftentimes they are out of stock, but they have a very nice 3D version. So you can see if you pick what you like, and you can also pick which standard you want, and then you can configure it. And then this becomes a 3-dimensional visualization. So you can also choose cases here, and then you can put on what kind of display cover you want, what kind of battery you want, and a microcontroller, etc. And it will show you the price and the switches, etc. Okay, so if you just want a cheap design, I will recommend the classical PCB, and the soldering is really simple. And I actually have several sets of this. Okay, hope this is useful information. Thanks for watching.